But the following year, 71, November 71, was my first deployment to Dhofar.
Right.
And then I did 5 deployments out there.
Wow.
And because I'd been support weapons all the time, the actual weapon side of it,
Easy.
I loved the weapon, the job it did, and that was a great place for that to be deployed.
Yeah.
So I was well, getting over 21 when I deployed out to Dhofar, and by that time they moved out to the Hedgehogs. They only did a short spell on camp, and I first of all went out to Hedgehog Charlie. I did 3 tours as an ACPO between Charlie and Bravo,
Yeah.
Hedgehog Bravo. And the last 2 tours I was a CPO working alongside another good guy, Corporal Pascal Barkey, rest in peace.
Yeah.
Yeah.